Boost your real estate business using these strategies. Number 1. Get a website. Having a website is the very first thing that you need to do to establish your online presence. Make sure all your business information is mentioned on the website, and don't forget to have a contact form on that website, because that is how people will get in touch with you. Number 2. Invest in SEO. Make sure your website is SEO friendly so that your website gets ranked for relevant keywords on search engines. Number 3. Social media presence. Make sure once you have a working website that you set up your accounts on social media platforms. Now these platforms are Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Number 4. Post consistently on all these platforms. Now what kind of content do you need to post consistently? Number 1. You need to put up all your offerings there. Number 2. Festive posts. Number 3. Most important of all, you need to put up walkthroughs of all the properties and the inventories that you hold. Number 5. Paid ads. Now, paid ads is something that will really help you unlock the true potential of these digital platforms. You can boost your content on Facebook, Instagram to reach out to more people. Apart from this, you can also run search ads on Google to redirect people to your website. Now, this will really help you generate a lot of business. Apart from these strategies, you should also register your business on thepropertist.com, and once the verification is done, you can start listing your properties. If you follow these points, I'm really sure this will help you boost your business and presence online. For more such content, follow us.